Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be creating 3 different eye looks that go really well with hazel and brown eyes. This video won't be product heavy, so don't worry, and I will link everything I use in the description box as usual. If you like this content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for doing all of that. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and let's get to the makeup. Now, if you have hazel or brown eyes, green, brown, rusty orange or rusty red colors go really well with your eye color. I will put a color chart on the screen so you can see what colors go with your eye color. I am starting with my foundation, concealer, bronzer, and blush on. The first product I'm going to be using is a one and done eyeshadow from Shiseido. I think I'm saying that wrong. This is a cream eyeshadow, and this is in the shade GR125. This is what it looks like. It's a nice light green shade with a little shimmer in it. I'm going to take a shader brush like this, a lid brush, and I'm going to dip into my eyeshadow and put that on my lid. I'm kind of putting it on my crease as well. Taking a fluffy brush to blend this out. This is a very easy product to work with. You have plenty of time, and when it dries down, it stays put. I'm taking a little bit more, and I'm going to put that along my lower lash line. It is a very nice wash of color. Let's do an eyeliner. Alright, they're never even, but we'll make do. Let's apply some mascara. I'm using my Essence Lash Princess. Look at the difference. I love this mascara. It's so cheap and it's so good. If you haven't seen my video where I try all of my mascaras and rank them, I'll link that up above. And I'm going to pair this look with my Rare Beauty lip liner in the shade Bold. And we're done with the first look. As you can see, this is a very light wash of color and it pops my eyes. I don't know if the camera is doing justice, but in person it really does look good. Let's get to the second look. I'm going to use my Tom Ford Emotionproof Eye Color in the shade Abyssinian. This is a very nice brown shade. It's a light brown. I love this shade. It looks really good with my brown eyes. I'm taking a stiffer and larger shader brush. I'm going to dip into it. And with a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend this out. Let's do a second coat. With the same brush, I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. I absolutely love this color. It really goes really well with my brown eyes. I do have a look that I did with this color. I will link that up above as well. It's my comfort makeup. This eyeshadow is what I feel comfortable in the most, basically. This color is just me. Let's put an inner corner highlight. I'm gonna apply a brown mascara. This is a Turkish brand. This is called Bewless Fake It Mascara. Unfortunately, you can't get it anywhere other than a Turkish drugstore. But there is a lot of brown mascaras out there, and you should definitely check out my video. I'm going to put my Fenty Beauty gloss in the shade Fenty Glow to pair with this look. And this is the second look. Now for the third look, I'm going to be using this palette here. You might have it. It was really hyped at some point, but this is really well used. I'm going to be working with these 3 shades, these rusty oranges. And you can also use these green shades as well. It really looks good on brown eyes. But I'm going to be working with this row. Now let's take the lightest shade, this one, and put that on my crease. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy small brush, and I'm going to take this darker shade and put that on my outer lash line. Taking the first brush to blend this out a little bit. I'm going to put the light shade on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take this shimmery shade and put that on my lid. Yes. We're almost done. Let's add some mascara. And this is the final look. Alright guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this content. If you did, leave a comment below and maybe tag your own looks. That would make me really happy. Okay, bye.